I was a solicitor for 20 years and then I ran into health problems when I had my kids, when I had a second child. So I've not been able to work since then, so I kind of keep myself occupied I've always liked doing arty crafty stuff, and I make jewellery and do just a bit crafty stuff. That's one of the reasons I started doing it actually. I had to raise awareness for one of the conditions I've got, well, two of the conditions I've got. I've got a condition called Ehlers-Danlos syndrome I've got fibromyalgia as well and chronic fatigue syndrome. I think there's a lot of overlaps between the three things. So I've got some problems with my spine and particularly problems with my hips and some of my other joints. I have good days and bad days. My bad days are pretty much I can't really leave the bedroom, can't get out of bed. You know, on a good day I can pick the kids up from school and drop them off at school. And I've got Lexi, who's 9, and Connie, who's 7, so 2 girls. I started Googling and came across the adjustable bed factory. I liked the idea that I was going to get somebody coming to the house to demonstrate it. You know, there's a no obligation demonstration in your home, so there's nothing to lose at all. So I was happy to make an appointment and invite somebody in. They came with sort of a bed in a bag basically, and set up a bed here in the lounge. It wasn't a rushed process and there was no pressure to buy. The product kind of, I guess it sold itself to us. But yeah, looking through the brochure there was quite a wide selection of different types to choose from. So yeah, I was quite impressed by the selection, by the choice. It's just perfect, so I can get myself into a really comfortable position for sleeping, which just isn't completely flat. And I've got a different position if I'm reading, a different position if I'm using the laptop. I think I am sleeping better since I've had it. I'm certainly having less disturbance in terms of pain, I'm not tossing and turning. This has enabled me to get more comfort, especially on the days when I have to spend more time in bed. The back and the legs adjust, and it has a massage function as well. That's really quite nice. To be honest, working backwards, now I've got it. I've had it for about 3 or 4 months now. And since having it, I can't believe I didn't get it sooner. I've been living with this condition for about 7 years. I should have thought about it sooner because I haven't been comfortable in bed for like 7 years.